Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today we are going to do reading for the day and see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. I think the energy here is a bit heavy. You can see the candle flame. So, let's see what do the cards have. What are the messages we have? Yeah. Yes, something heavy you're dealing with. The candle flame gave me the indication, right? So something is heavy, something is bothering you, okay? It can be your thoughts, you're thinking a lot. There's a lot of overthinking happening. Okay, what if this goes in this way? What if things don't work out how I'm planning? What if that happens? Worst case scenario, your mind is throwing that negative thoughts, and you're kind of not able to sleep even if you are blessed with everything, the basic comfort, basic necessities, needs, जो भी basic requirements होती है. And for some of you, it's a you're living a very good life, you're living a blessed life. Even then your mind is playing tricks with you by giving you all the negative thoughts, negative emotions. Okay, it's like there is a lot of overthinking happening. For some of you, you might be having backache and headaches also, I am getting. And that is because you are feeling that you are not supported, you are not getting the support you are looking for. For some of you, it can be an emotional situation, okay, where you might not be feeling that आप अपने आप को emotionally express नहीं कर पा रहे हो, उसकी वजह से there is heaviness, okay, heaviness in your heart, which is ultimately giving you headaches and not giving you that peaceful sleep. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you. So just try to change your perspective, try to see things from a different angle, and count on your blessings. The more you count on your blessings, the more blessings you will attract, and the more you focus on the negative things in your life, your mind will, attract the same kind of energy and situations around. So just try to change your perspective, just drink a lot of water, keep yourself calm, do some meditation, and you can journal also to, overcome these negative thoughts. It will help you to release whatever is stuck in your head, and when you write it down, you will get more clarity that it is all useless thoughts. My mind is just creating scenarios which don't even exist. Okay, so that will be really helpful for you to deal with this situation. So please claim the positive energy from this reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily